unboxing. So, I have, ayan, a new gift from my husband. So, ayan. As you can see, it's a laptop, guys. Ayan, binilhan niya ako ng laptop because para daw mag-continue sa pagbo-vlog. And wala siyang kaalam-alam. He doesn't know about laptop. So, we will see what he have for me. So, ayan. So, binili niya to. Ayan, kasama na yung bag. Meron silang parang free na bag. And then, sabi niya meron daw 1,000 accessories na kasama dun sa pag bumili ka ng brand new na laptop. So, meron na yung binili niya daw dun sa pinili niya daw dun sa 1,000 accessories, including sa pagbili ng laptop is cable for the charger. Ayan. Dalawa para din sa mga namin. And then, mouse. So, ayan. So, ayan guys. And then, i-unbox na natin yung gift niya sa akin. So, my birthday will be on July 1. Pero ngayon guys, is still June. So, it's a early birthday gift from my husband. So, ayan. Sabi niya, hindi niya daw talaga alam kung anong laptop yung gusto ko. And then, ano yung nasa loob ng laptop. So, he just guessing. And he said he been asking a lot of store about laptop. So, they recommend him this laptop. So, we will see where is the scissor. So, I have the scissor. So, ayan. So, this bag is included, guys. Ayan, sabi nila free. Pero kasi binayaran nyo yung laptop, so tatawagin na lang natin included. So, ito yung bag. Ayan. Parang feel ko naman, lahat naman ng laptop, pag bumili ka ng brand new, meron siyang included na bag. Ayan, included na yung bag. Ayan. So, we'll see. Ang cute ng bag. It's color gray, guys. Ayan. As you can see. Color gray. Ano na to? 2 days. 2 days na ata to nasa kwarto. And hindi ko siya ma-open-open because we're very busy, guys, when we come back here in Dumaguete. So, ayan. So, meron din siyang string. Parang shoulder bag. Pero pwede mo din siyang ang tawag dun? Handbag. So, ayan. Para yan sa laptop, guys. And then, yeah. So, ito na yung laptop. It's HP, guys. Ayan. So, you can see. I'm gonna put you closer. Included na bag. Mas maganda kasi yung back na camera sa cellphone ko. I'm using my, Realme X3 Super Zoom phone right now while I'm doing this video. So, ito yung bag. And then, ito yung worth 1,000 accessories. It's more than 1,000 anyway when I was looking for the prices because this one is 350 and this one is 410. So, ayan. So, yan yung mga included, guys, pag bumili kayo ng HP na laptop. So, ito na yung laptop, guys. So, ito na yung laptop. Ayan. I open it just now, guys, kasi we've been so busy in the morning. And as you can hear, my voice still sounds weird because I just had fever and cold. I think because of the tiredness of traveling. So, ayan. Mamaya ako na malilinisin ko lang naman ito. Today is June 15, 2025. So, ito na yung ating laptop, guys. Hopefully, it's nice. Ayan. Ano ba to? Still have some food. Ano ba? Sorry sa aking nails guys kasi ayan, hindi ko pa siya napapix. Hindi ko pa siya napix talaga kasi wala akong time. Ay, ano ba to? Oh, wow. I have a laptop that was Lenovo and it's color black. And now I have a HP and it's color silver. So yan, tanggalin na natin yan. So ito na yung laptop. It looks so nice. Ooh. For the first time in forever. Oh my god, this is so nice. Look at that. So big. Ayan, so big. So I think it's bigger than my old laptop. Ooh. So meron siyang cover dito. Ayan. It's quite big. Oh, I get used to my other laptop because the switch was here. So I don't know how it worked, this one. So this is what it looked like, guys. So, my laptop, ayan. And we'll see what is in the box more. So I have the laptop and the menu, important information for the laptop. Oops. So all the thing is here. Ayan, how to set up. So ayan lang muna yung ating mapapakita ngayon kasi I need to work on this is the thing, cable, charger. Well, so many. I only have one in my and yeah. So that's all for our laptop unboxing. So it's this one. It's very cool. So ayan guys. Ultra wide screen right now on my phone, guys. So this is what it look like. Ayan. And this was the accessories worth 1,000 pesos if you're gonna buy a new laptop. And then this is the charger and I don't know what it is. I think it's still for the charger. So ayan guys yung ating laptop. And anyway, don't forget the bag. So ayan guys, that's all for today's video, guys. So that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you all. Keep safe, everyone. And yeah, see you again in my next vlog. Look at my tummy. I gained so much weight when I was in Bantayan Island because my family is preparing food all the time and I was enjoying my vacation. So this is my laptop. So ayan, you still don't know. I think this is the switch. Here. No, it's not. So I still need to find out. Oh, here. It's so different than my old laptop. So here. You do need to be in the charger. We'll see. So ayan guys, see you again next time, guys. I love you all. Thank you so much, Happy, for your gift. I love you. See you again next time, guys. Bye-bye, guys. So ayan na, guys. Nandito siya sa ano ko, guys. Sa place kung asan ako nagwo-work. So this is my other laptop, which is, I think, I don't know if they're the same size, but yeah, I told you it's quite big. Bigger than mine. See, as you can see. Yan, meron pang space. So, malaki talaga siya. So, ayan.